Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. If you are new here, thank you for joining. On this channel, I draw something different every single day, and I encourage you to follow along with me and learn to draw it. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a shiny Dragonite. So Dragonite is a Pokemon. He's one of the original 150, and I'm going to start drawing Dragonite with the eye. So I'm going to start with a shape like this, like a great big upside down U, and then give it a bottom right there. And then I'm going to do a line right here, curved at the top, then a circle, and then kind of a little bean or a bubbly U shape here on the bottom. And then everything else, except for that little circle and bean shape, I'm going to color in all dark. Alright, so there's an eye. And now I'm going to give it a little bit of space and start drawing part of his face. And I'm going to come on out this way. This is his nose and mouth area. And we're going to come on up and do the bottom part of his mouth here. And we can give him two little lines right here for his little nostrils. And we can continue to curve up here at the top of the head. And he's got like two little like flowy antennas on the top of his head. Now, is antenna the right word? Probably not. But they're kind of like noodles coming out of his head. So here's one, and I'll do the other right here. The other flowy noodle. If you know what this part of him is actually called, please let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to keep coming on down this way. And we're going down a bit more. And right here, he's starting to get a bit thicker. So he's got a bit of a belly. Rounding out that belly in the bottom there. And right here, we can start doing his leg. Like that. And his foot here. So he's getting kind of cut off there by the edge of the page, but that's okay. And his other leg will be right here. Big round spot right here. And then his foot. And of course that's getting cut off on the side of the page too, but that's okay. So I'm going to keep working on this part here. Let's give him an arm. So I'm going to give him 1, 2, 3 claws. So I'm going to put like a curved line right there and a curved line right there and one right there to separate what is claw and what is arm. And I'm going to put a line here to join up with that leg. And we can put a line here coming on down right there. And then we can do some slightly curved lines all the way down. Okay, so we're not done yet. He needs some wings. So he kind of has, they kind of look like bat wings. So I'm coming back down like that. And then from here, we do a curve, and we're gonna have a point right here, and then we're coming back all the way back to his back. And I'm gonna put a line right here, and that's one wing. And I'm gonna give him another arm before I do anything else. And give him 1, 2, 3 claws, same as the other side. And do those lines, those curved lines, to separate what is claw and what is arm. And let's see, let's give him another wing. All right, so that other wing, let's see. It would be attached to his back, and then it would be curved right here, so it would be coming out right here. So it almost looks like he's got another one of those little noodle things coming out of his head. So we can curve that line and do a point, and then bring that line back. It's kind of going behind that nose and the head, and do a little line right there, and then a line right here. So he's got his other wing now, and now he just needs a tail. So I'm gonna bring that right here, and other line for his tail would be right here. So that too is also getting cut off by the edge of the page, but that's okay. All right, so he is all finished being drawn, and I'm gonna start to color him. So the coloring is what really makes him shiny. So normally he would be kind of an orangey color, but now he's gonna be kind of a greenish color, and the wings go purple, and it looks really, really cool. So I'm gonna get started coloring. All right, folks, so there you have it. We are done shiny Dragonites. so I think he turned out pretty cool, but let me know in the comments below what you think. So I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you for joining me here today, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!